guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is my New Year's Eve makeup tutorial. So I hope you had a lovely Christmas and Happy New Year to you all. So yeah, let's just get started with my New Year's Eve makeup tutorial. Okay, so to start with, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Moisture Lock Primer. I need a really good primer on New Year's Eve because it needs to last all night and all day depending on what you're doing. So yeah, I'm using this one. It's a really good primer, and I'm using my Real Techniques stippling brush to apply it. Okay, so for foundation, I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Long Wear Liquid Foundation in the shade 0.5. So yeah, this is a really long lasting and durable foundation, and it's also full coverage. So mine's in the paler shade that they do, I think, which is 0.5. And I'm using my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flawless Foundation Brush to apply it. So next up it's concealer. So I'm using the Collection Lasting Perfection concealers. So I actually mixed two shades. So I have the shades Fair 5 and Extra Fair 4. These are 16-hour wear concealers, by the way. So I'm going to blend those in using my Real Techniques contour brush. And then for powder, I'm going in with the Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder because I really want my makeup to last all night. This is a really good powder, and it's also really good for flash photography as well, which is really good for New Year's Eve. So to set my eye area, I'm using my Morphe G35 brush. And then to set the rest of my face, I'm using my Morphe E2 brush. Now for contouring, I'm using the NYX HD Blush in the shade Taupe, and I'm using my Youth by C27 brush. And then for bronzer, I'm using the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer, using my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flawless Powder Brush. And then for blush, I'm using the Milani Powder Blush in the shade Romantic Rose, using my IT Cosmetics Flawless Blush Brush. And then for New Year's Eve, I like to have a really blinding highlight. So this is the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek Highlighter in the shade Flexitarian, and I love this highlight. It stands out under like party lights and everything. It's so pretty. So I'm using my Real Techniques setting brush to apply it. You don't even need to apply that much because under lights and everything, it stands out so much. I don't know if you can see some of it on camera, but like in person it is blinding. Okay, now time for the eyes. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless Timeless Fantasy eyeshadow palette today. So using my Morphe R37 brush, I'm going in with the first shade here, which is called Fancy, through the crease. And then I'm going in with this shade here at the top called Chic. I'm then going to take my Sigma E40 tapered blending brush with no product on it, just to clean up some of the edges. I'm now going in with this dark brown shade here using my M412 brush by Morphe on my outer corners. I'm then going back to my crease brush with the shade that was through my crease, and I'm just going to clean up everything, blend it all together. And then more clean up with the other brush. And I'm going to take all of those same colours on my lower lash line using my Morphe E18 brush. Okay, so I was actually going to use a different sparkly eyeshadow for my lid, but I'm actually going to use it from this eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use this shade here, which is called Elegant, and I'm going to use my little finger and pop that all over the lid. Yeah, I actually really like the way that looks because it's quite a natural New Year's Eve makeup tutorial today. So I actually like the way that looks because it's nice and natural and subtle, but still that bit of sparkle as well. So now I'm using this Glossier Boy Brow Clear Eyebrow Gel to set my eyebrows in place. And then I'm using my Morphe Continuous Mist setting spray. Okay, now for eyeliner, I'm using my NYX Slide On Glide On eyeliner in the shade Brown Perfection. And then I'm going to curl my lashes using my Tweezerman eyelash curlers, and I'm using the Maybelline The Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. And then finally the lipstick, so I'm using this Topshop lipstick and it's in the shade Shoal. It's like a nudie pinky type shade, nudie red type shade. Okay, so that completes this makeup tutorial. This is my very natural wearable New Year's Eve makeup tutorial. Some people want to go full glam, and other years I have done full glam New Year's Eve makeup, but this year I fancy doing more natural and wearable makeup. So this is my natural New Year's Eve makeup tutorial. So I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. And thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you had a lovely Christmas and I hope you have a lovely New Year. So see you all in my next video, guys. Bye.